What is happening, guys? We are back at CES 2026, and let me tell you, we're about to dive headfirst into the world of innovation. This place is absolute tech heaven. Imagine exploring the coolest gadgets and experiences that the tech world has to offer. It's like stepping onto a futuristic movie set.
Wow, that sounds incredible. So is this where they show off all the sci-fi stuff we only dream about? Laughs.
Definitely. Just wait till you hear about the Antigravity A1, the world's first 360 drone. Picture this. You're wearing these immersive goggles, and you aren't just playing a game, you're in control of a drone soaring through a virtual sky like a bird.
That sounds insane. So are you saying there's no license required?
Exactly. It weighs under 250 grams, so it's classified as a toy. You can literally pick it up, fly it, and explore without the red tape. The only thing that might raise some eyebrows is the price tag, which ranges from $1,600 to $2,000. But keep in mind, it comes with those immersive VR goggles.
Wow, that's like having two gadgets in one. I'm just curious though, how effective is it for someone who's visually impaired?
Great question. Initially, I was skeptical too, but they've designed it to be super intuitive, with auditory cues and haptic feedback guiding you in real time. Imagine flying through the air, not by sight, but by sound. It's like a game of auditory chess.
That's super interesting. So, what's next?
Next up, we're checking out robotics. Remember them from last year? They've really stepped up their game. This year we have David, a robot with a bit of a smug expression. You know, the type that makes you feel like he holds all the secrets of the universe?
Haha, I love that. So, what's cool about him?
The AI is much more advanced. These robots can interpret their surroundings and even recognize human emotions. Just imagine having a tough day, and David rolls up, genuinely trying to lift your spirits. It's like a caring human buddy, but crafted from silicon.
Whoa, so they actually interact with you? That's kind of like having a virtual buddy. Could they help me with, my chores too?
Exactly, and it doesn't end there. Moving on to Tensor, the world's first personal robocar. This beauty is fully autonomous, and get this? It even cleans itself. Can you imagine? After a long trip, you step out and it heads home by itself, tidies up, and all you have to do is relax.
Wait, clean itself? Like how? Does it have a little robot helper or something? Laughs.
Haha, no little helpers needed. The robocar has built-in tech that keeps it spotless for you. You just drive, unwind, and it handles everything else. Plus, it integrates with your calendar to alert you about traffic. Talk about smart living, right?
Are you kidding me? That's gotta be the coolest thing ever? So you don't have to deal with rush hour anymore?
Exactly. Speaking of robotics, we also checked out the Atlas robot from Boston Dynamics. This marvel is designed for heavy lifting and can maneuver through various environments. It's astonishing to see how far robotics has come.
Whoa, it can lift weights? Is it like in the movies where robots can throw cars?
Haha, well, not quite throwing cars. But Atlas can handle hefty loads and boasts incredible mobility, ideal for construction sites and disaster rescue scenarios.
That makes total sense. Next up?
Next, we move to XREAL, where they just released new AR glasses. The XREAL1S features improved specs with a higher resolution and a wider field of view. And get this, the price actually went down. Talk about a win.
Wait, so they upgraded everything and made it cheaper? That's like winning the tech lottery. Laughs.
Right? Plus, if you're a gamer, you'll love this. Asus is in on it too. With their ROG XREAL R1, they're the world's first 240Hz refresh AR glasses. Perfect for all you serious gamers out there.
Whoa, so, like, can you wear these all day while gaming without getting a headache?
Exactly. They're lightweight, making extended gaming sessions super comfortable. Next, we explored the LG CLOID robot assistant, designed for a lazy, zero-labor home environment. It talks to your appliances, ensuring everything is safe and connected.
So, you just, chill on the couch while your house does stuff? That sounds too good to be true.
Haha, it does sound dreamy. And to wrap up our day, we checked out the Legion Pro rollable concept, offering customizable dimensions for gaming, along with the ThinkPad Rollable XD concept, modular expansions tailored to user needs.
Like, I could change my laptop size depending on what I'm doing? That's so futuristic, laughs.
Exactly. And don't forget, Asus is rolling out Wi-Fi 8, focusing on real-world improvements for IoT devices, providing better communication reliability and efficiency.
Wow, that was a jam-packed day. I can't wait to hear more. What's gonna be next?
Absolutely. That wraps up day 1 of CES 2026. If you all enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we'll be back every day with fresh compilations of the coolest tech we encounter. Keep your comments coming. We love hearing from you.
Yay! I can't wait for more. There's so much to explore, laughs.